Good morning, fifth graders, and welcome to our Flex Day, Wednesday, October 21st. Just a short and sweet message today. We are just going to kind of give you the rundown of what the expectations are for today, so please pay attention to the things that you need to do. Obviously, we have a Zoom today at 10 o'clock, so hopefully I see most everybody there. We're going to handle about 2 or 3 housekeeping items and then hopefully play a fun game that we can all enjoy and possibly earn some team points for. So hopefully you guys will feel like it was worth showing up for today. And I'm excited to see everybody. So again, I know we got the snow yesterday, so you shouldn't be out doing a ton. I guess you could be outside playing in the snow, but hopefully you are available and showing up for that 10 o'clock Zoom today. I will send that link out at about 7:30 probably. So look for that link. I'll put it in your Schoology messages. I'll also put it in the updates and have it there for people to log into in those 2 spots. So for science today, I originally had planned on giving us a quiz on the classification of the organisms, but I think that I want to make sure that I see our cohort 2 group in class before I do that. So we are just going to review today in science. There is a Kahoot, or will be a Kahoot, in our science folder. Please click on that and complete the Kahoot. You can do it multiple times. Again, not really caring how many times you do it, but it's a great review. The questions that are on the Kahoot definitely come from and will help you on the test or / quiz that we are going to take tomorrow. So please do that. Please also just write your name and your class number in there, just so I can know who's logging in and who's doing those things. If I've got random nicknames in there, guys, it makes it really difficult to see which people are participating in those quizzes and which aren't. So please do that. I do look at those Kahoot results. I do try to get an idea of who is taking the time to study for those tests and quizzes. That impacts decisions for me down the road in terms of what I want to do to review as well. So hopefully you will all get in there and do that Kahoot today in your science folder. In your math folder, you're going to find a couple of things. There's a brain game in there, obviously, just to kind of keep us cycling back some different concepts and ideas. That's not going in the grade book, but the other 2 items in there are going to be in the grade book. And one of them is going to be a review of the concepts that we learned in the original unit. So kind of going back to some factor puzzles and proportions and ratio concepts. And the other one is a review assignment on some of the geometry things that we've covered to this point. So a couple of different review assignments. All of it should be review. All of them are things you should know how to do already, but please contact me if there's something you're not getting. I do have a couple people who've contacted me about, because we've had some questions on the brain game about long division or averaging and doing those kinds of things. And I'll gladly help you with any of those concepts. Just remember the brain game is not graded, so it's not something that you need to get too upset or anxious about, but just send me a message and we can try to set up a time, whether it's in person here or via Zoom, to try and walk you through some of those processes and give you some example problems for trying to solve those long division problems. All right. So review kind of in both subject areas today, review for our science test on classification or quiz, however you want to phrase that, and then review for concepts that we've already covered in math up to this point. You could also do Prodigy today, guys. I would highly recommend that, since you're not going to probably have a full class day's worth of work to do for me. This would be a great day to build up some Prodigy questions and try to get some team points earned for your group in that way as well. Kind of Wednesday is kind of that team point gathering day for us, where we really get an opportunity to get a lot of team points. Other than that, like I said, guys, just make sure you stay in contact today. If you are struggling on something, don't get frustrated, or don't look at it and say, oh, I don't have a teacher, I'm not in person. Contact me, send me messages, let me know. I'll be here all day looking for those messages. All right, and looking for those questions. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you guys at the Zoom at 10 o'clock.